Tonight, we're taking a closer look at a public health crisis impacting our state. A new study shows a growing number of female minority doctors are leaving their profession because of burnout.
So what is causing all this, and can it be reversed? CBS 13's Dominic Garcia is getting answers.
A recent study conducted by the nonprofit Physicians for a Healthy California reveals a growing number of minority women doctors are feeling burned out and are just leaving their field of work.
Our survey found that it was almost 1 in 2. It was about 47% of all women physicians of color reported experiencing burnout and really being concerned about their wellness.
That's a significant increase from the same study conducted in 2018. Lupe Alonso-Diaz is the president and CEO of Physicians for a Healthy California and the co-author of a study called A Prescription for Change. She says female physicians of color are drowning in work, feel undervalued, and in many cases experiencing discrimination and racial bias. And aside from the burnout at work, many of them are juggling responsibilities at home.
By the time that they got to work, they were already on their second shift, meaning that they're taking care of their children. They're also parenting their parents, so they truly are the sandwich generation.
Alonso-Diaz says with a shortage of primary care doctors nationwide, there's an urgent need to retain female physicians of color because they're filling critical roles in our communities.
They're much more likely to go and practice in those underserved communities where we have low-income, under-resourced communities, we have immigrant and refugees communities.
So, what are some of the solutions to retaining more female physicians of color?
So the more that employers can create policies and practices that support all physicians, and particularly women physicians of color, the more that they'll be able to retain them.
The study suggests other recommendations, like allowing anonymous employee feedback and compensating them for their work in equity, diversity, and inclusion roles.
Now, for the complete list of the retention recommendations, we linked the study right on our website, cbs13.com. Look for it on the links and numbers tab.